Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to run title A/B test in existing YouTube video. So this is YouTube new feature. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in YouTube studio. So we are going to run this feature on existing videos. Now open any video. Now you see details, so click on it, and then you see A/B testing feature. So we are going to add different variation for YouTube title video. So YouTube new title A/B testing feature allow creator to test multiple videos title to see which perform best with result measured by watch time. So creator can submit up to 3 title variation through the test and compare option in YouTube Studio, and YouTube system will then show each title to different audience segment to gather data on their performance. Now click on it, and then you see A/B testing, test and compare your thumbnail and title. So for now we are going to use title only feature. So this is our first title, and then we are going to add title 2, title 3, and then click on set test. So now you see we added 3 title. So how this feature work? So after click on set test, YouTube analyze performance of the title, and then YouTube will show you performance metric, and then you can set your title manually. So you can set that title which perform better. Now click on set test. Now you see the test is ready and will start once you save your changes. Now you see, if you want you can edit title and then click on save changes first. Now you see changes saved, and then you see view test report. So click on it. Estimated time remaining 30 days. Now you see test running. YouTube will show metrics which title perform better. Watch time share here. After that you can set this option button. You can click on it to choose best title for your YouTube video, and then click on done. If you want you can click on new test. So it's up to you. Now estimated time remaining 30 days, 23 hours. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.